Welcome to this Windows and computer channel, and this is a very quick video for a important security flaw in Google Chrome. For the second time pretty much in a few weeks, we have a severe security flaw in Google Chrome. So I talked about, the latest update to version 89, but it's a little more than that. Version 89 fixes a security flaw that Google hasn't talked much about. It's not giving much details right now. They're waiting for the majority of people to move on to version 89 before disclosing this. It is a 0-day vulnerability that was found by Microsoft's security team, and now it is being fixed here. We have reports that this is already exploited by hackers online, so that means that if it's not fixed, you could technically have a lot of bad things happening. It's apparently very easy to exploit and take control of pretty much your browser, your computer, steal data. So move on to this version for at least that reason. To make sure that you have updated and you're safe, go to the upper right corner, vertical dots, help, about Google Chrome. Make sure that you move on to 89.0.4389.72. This ensures that you have that flaw fixed and that you're safe online. It is very interesting because Google is staying very quiet on what it is, but it apparently is very high risk. So make sure that you actually fix and by updating your Google Chrome browser. Once again, simply go to the Google Chrome browser. Go on the upper right corner in the 3 vertical dots into help and about Google Chrome to make sure that you update to version 89 as of today, Wednesday, March 3rd, 2021. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.